Yes, ready, feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned common judgment and order dated 8 August 2017 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay in writ petition number 1432/2017 and writ petition number 1406/2017, by which the High Court has dismissed the aforesaid writ petitions preferred by the Commissioner of Income Tax (IT-4 Mumbai hereinafter referred to as the Revenue and has confirmed the order passed by the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal bench at Mumbai referred to as the ITAT dated 18 November 2016, passed in miscellaneous application numbers 261/M/2014 and 419/M/2013, by which the ITAT, in exercise of powers under section 254 of the Income Tax Act hereinafter referred to as the Act has recalled its earlier order dated 6 October 2013, passed in ITA number 5096/Mumbai/2008 and ITA number 837/Mumbai/2007, and the Revenue has preferred the present appeals stop. The facts leading to the present appeals in a nutshell are as under stop. For the sake of convenience, the facts in Civil Appeal number 7110 of 2021 arising from special leave petition (civil number 13963/2018) in the case of Messrs. Reliance Telecom Limited hereinafter referred to as the Assessee are narrated stop. The facts in another appeal are similar except that the assessee is different but with respect to same group of companies stop. That the assessee entered into supply contract dated 15 June 2004 with Ericsson AB stop. Assessee filed an application under section 195 of the Act before the assessing officer to make payment to the non-resident company for purchase of software without TDS stop. It was contended by the assessee that it was for the purchase of software and Ericsson AB had no permanent establishment in India, and in terms of the DTAA between India and Sweden and USA stop, the amount paid is not taxable in India stop. The assessing officer passed an order dated 12 March 2007 rejecting the assessee's application, holding that the consideration for software licensing constituted under section 9 (1) of the Act and under article 12 (3) of the DTAA is liable to be taxed in India, and accordingly directed the assessee to deduct tax at the rate of 10% as royalty stop. 2.3. The assessee, after deducting the tax, appealed before the Commissioner of Income Tax (Appeals) stop. CIT wide order dated 27 May 2008 held in favor of assessee stop. Revenue appealed before the ITAT, and by a detailed judgment and order dated 6 October 2013, The ITAT allowed the revenue's appeal by relying upon the judgment/decisions of the Karnataka High Court and held that payments made for purchase of software are in the nature of royalty stop. Against the detailed judgment and order dated 6th October 2013 passed by the ITAT, the assessee filed miscellaneous application for rectification under section 254 within bracket 2 of the Act stop. Simultaneously, the assessee also filed the appeal before the High Court against the ITAT order dated 6th October 2013 stop. That wide common order dated 18 November 2016, the ITAT allowed the assessee's miscellaneous application filed under section 254 within bracket 2 of the Act and recalled its original order dated 6th October 2013 stop. Immediately on passing the order dated 18 November 2016 by the ITAT recalling its earlier order dated 6th October 2013, the assessee withdrew the appeal preferred before the High Court, which was against the original order dated 6th October 2013 stop.